Are you a home service business owner looking to increase your income in 2025? And I'm not talking a 10 to 20% increase. No, I'm not even talking 50% increase. I'm talking 100%, yes, doubling your income in 2025.
What? Is that even possible? Is this crazy? What is this madness?
Well, I'm going to tell you right now, easiest way, the way I'm learning right now is from the people who I want to be like, okay? And these people have net worths of over 8 and 9 figures. The easiest, fastest way to do this, and it doesn't have to be complicated, you can literally double your income this year, is by learning from others, right? And I've learned this by reading books, attending masterminds, going to conferences, going and getting uncomfortable talking to people. This is the way. And one of the things that these people with high net worths have in common, they understand this one thing: they all have multiple streams of income. Well, some of you might go, well, yeah, of course, I want to get into real estate like these wealthy people, and I want to get Airbnbs and rentals and all this stuff. Like, I'm not talking about increasing your income over the next 12 to 20 years. I'm saying let's double your income in the next 12 months. So listen up, let me tell you how. It's hard to jump industries. Let's say you're a lighting company, or you're an AV company, or pressure washing, whatever it is. It's hard to just jump from that to get into real estate, okay? And it's gonna take a long time to build worth, right? But I wanna help you guys increase your income right now. And so how do we increase our income by doing multiple streams of income without learning something completely new? Well, you gotta come to Light It Up Expo. This is happening next month in Orlando. So I wanna see you there. If you wanna bolt on landscape lighting, permanent lighting, or holiday lighting, this is the place to be. You'll walk away with not only the knowledge and the ability to go do your very first install, but the confidence on knowing how to price it at a premium price, how to close these deals on the spot, how to get high quality leads to get this business going. And this is the easiest way to bolt something on and increase your income in 2025. And I'm not talking the next 12 years, I'm talking the next 12 months. This can be done. It has been done. I've got tons of clients in my coaching program that are already doing this, and I want to see you guys succeed as well. So come to Orlando. It's Light It Up Expo, and this is your chance to network with these other people who are doing millions of dollars in lighting already. We're going to have speakers help you get high quality leads for this stuff. We're going to have breakout sessions, so you'll be able to learn. You'll be able to sign up for one of those. So let's say you already have a lighting business and you want to get into permanent lighting, you can attend that breakout. Or maybe you already do permanent lighting, you want to bolt on landscape lighting, you can attend that breakout. Or you want to bolt on holiday lighting, you can attend that one. They're all going to be set up to give you maximum productivity and give you the ability to hit the ground running. And then the vendor floor space is going to be epic, guys. We've got so much support from the lighting community. So we've got manufacturers, vendors, distributors, service providers that are going to help you grow your business as well. And they're all in the vendor hall. Your lunch is included with your ticket. We have some VIP options if you want dinner and stuff like that. But come to Light It Up Expo. I want to see you in Orlando. It's February 28th and March 1st. It's coming up next month. So don't hesitate. Guys, I've done landscape lighting lives in the past where we only had 50 tickets available and they sold out. They were $1,800 tickets. Right now, and the price is probably going to go up, but right now as I'm making this video, it's only $500. So you can come for just $500 and get access to all this information. We're not doing landscape lighting lives anymore. This is the new way. The new method is to combine these 3 industries and bring in multiple streams of income. And this is the easiest way to do it without jumping into a brand new industry. I want to see you in Orlando, February 28th, March 1st. I'll see you there.